Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Fiat 500 brake light. Start by parking safely and switching the ignition off, then open the rear hatch. Locate the taillight assembly and remove the screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Wear gloves to protect the bulb and fingers. Gently pull the assembly out to access the bulb socket, twist the socket counterclockwise to remove it, and replace with the correct bulb type. Begin by opening the hatch and folding back the trunk liner so you can see the taillight screws and clips. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the retaining screws, keeping them in a small container so they do not get lost. Gently pull the taillight assembly straight outward, easing any plastic tabs free without forcing them. Set the assembly on a soft surface to prevent scratches as you prepare to access the bulb socket. With the taillight assembly off the car, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it free to expose the old bulb. Remove the old bulb with a straight pull or slight twist depending on the type, and avoid touching the glass on halogen bulbs. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket until it seats, then reinsert and twist the socket clockwise to lock it. Test the brake light before reassembling everything to ensure proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.